guys, welcome back to Discover Zone. Juniper here. Today we are going to be making fake earrings. I want to wear earrings, but my ears aren't pierced, so I made up my own pattern to make fake ones. And they are very comfortable, I promise, because the fake earrings that I've bought before that are clip-on are not very comfortable, so I decided to make my own. Today I'll be showing you how to make this pattern and this pattern, which is the same as this one, and this one. So yeah, let's get started. So these are the first ones I'll be making. They look much better when they're on, but right now you can see all their imperfections. So for these you'll need one color of wire. I'm using silver, and this is just floral wire. It's a very thin one, but not too thin. You'll also need a marker. That's what I use to mold the earring around. You can use whichever size you want. And you'll need a hot glue gun. First you want to take a piece of wire and wrap it around your marker 2 times. So next you want to take some wire cutters and cut it along one edge. So here is my ring. I'm just going to cut it along that edge. So then you'll come out with 2 rings that look a little like this. So now we're going to take our hot glue gun and take the end of this ring and shove it up the nozzle till you get a little ball of glue on the end. And then you're just going to, once it cools off for a couple seconds, you'll just want to mold it with your fingers into like a little circle shape. You want to repeat this on the other side of the earring. And you'll also repeat it on the other earring. So now your first pair of earrings are finished. I'll show them on at the end of the video. Next we're going to make these. You'll need 2 colors wire. I chose silver and gold. But you can do other combinations like red and gold too. I think I might do that actually. You'll need your marker, whatever size of earring that you want, and the hot glue gun. So next you want to hold your 2 wires together and twist them around each other. This will take a minute and will not look perfect. I used pliers to hold it for part of the twisting. Now you'll take your marker and wrap your wire around it and take it off and cut it on one side. You should now have 2 rings that look a little bit like this. They won't be perfect, but they're still pretty cute. You want to put hot glue on the ends like I showed you in the last one. And here are your finished earrings. I will model them on in a little bit, but you could even put like little charms on them, like even safety pins. You could fit those on here because I know safety pin earrings are very popular right now. So yeah, let's go see how they look like when they're on. So here's what the first pair of earrings look like. Woo woo! They actually look really real. From far away, they look even more real. And here's the second pair of earrings. They're super cute, and if your ears aren't pierced, they actually look very real. So thanks for watching this, guys. I really love this pattern for earrings. I think they're super cute, and they look super real, and I love earrings, but I don't have my ears pierced, so these are so perfect. And it's a fun craft to do while you're at home, quarantined like everybody is right now. So yeah, thanks for watching, guys.